TV Patience of the Saints. We are out here in the garden. We have here some kale. We're going to be planting some kale in the garden. We can see some vegetables already growing, naturally from last time. And we're going to get these beds ready. But we are right now just planting even some lettuce and some celery. You can see we're going to be taking them out of these little pots and planting them in the ground. You see, we got a little mixture prepared. Make sure the soil get proper nutrients and so that the plants can grow sufficiently. So we are here outside, beautiful weather, 70 degrees just about, and we are ready to start planting. And I'll do another video in regards to the tilling and also in regards to the greenhouse. ETV, Patience of the Saints. And I pray that you will all be encouraged to grow your own foods. God bless each and every one of you. Until we meet again. God bless.